So does the thought of planning a family vacation and packing all of the things stress you out? Today's video, I'm going to walk you through a couple packing tips and tricks, so stay tuned. If you are new, welcome. My name is Lindsay, and on my channel, I try to teach you how you can get organized on a budget so that way you can save your time, money, and space. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button below if you want more organizing videos, as I post them every single Wednesday. So packing for a family vacation, it can become so stressful, but I'm going to walk you through a couple tips and tricks that I've picked up along the way that have made packing and traveling run so much smoother for our family. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is get your suitcase out. I like to actually get mine out about a week before we leave, and I start to kind of put things in there as I do the laundry that I know I am going to want to bring on our trip. So that way I'm not having to do laundry like the day before we leave because I've worn all of the things that I want to bring with me. First thing that you're going to want to do, make sure your laundry's done and then start setting things aside that you know you want it. For us, we are actually going to Florida, and as you can see, I'm still wearing some winter attire because where I live, it is still pretty chilly outside. We're starting to get into the spring weather, but I had to break out my summer stuff for this trip. So that's what I've done. I've started putting things aside. I pulled out all my daughter's summer stuff and I have that in a bin. And now I am ready to start sorting through and putting together outfits. Alright guys, so this is what I've done. I've just Konmari folded everything so that way it can easily fit into my suitcase, but I went ahead and just put all of my tops over here and then all of my bottoms over here. One dress, 3 shorts, 1 pair of pants. And just so you know, we are going to be in Florida from Sunday to Sunday. So don't want to pack like a new bottom for every single day because I'm trying to limit the space in my suitcase. And since we're actually going to be staying with family, we're going to have access to washer and dryer so we can wash things if they get dirty throughout the week, so I'm not stuck with wearing dirty clothes. I actually like to plan out the outfits. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and set tops on top of each of these bottoms so that way I can kind of know what I could wear together, so I can wear these bottoms, you know, multiple times throughout the week. Alright, so as you can see, I've just put 2 shirts on each of these shorts. These jeans I'm only packing really for like the evenings if it gets cold out. I can easily wear these jeans with any of these tops that I'm packing. Alright, so another packing hack to keep in mind is to make sure when you're packing that you're packing tops that you can easily rotate and wear with multiple different bottoms. Alright, so now that I have all of my tops put together, I'm gonna actually put this stuff in my suitcase and then keep packing the rest of my items. I'm simply just folding the shirt inside of the bottoms so that way I know what I want to wear each piece with, and then I'm file folding it into my suitcase to keep it nice and organized and easy to access. Planning on just putting all of my undergarments in this bag as well as possibly my daughter's, but I love to bring these bags especially when we are going to be hitting up the pool so much. It's just going to be really nice to be able to put all of our wet swimsuits in here and not have to worry about getting anything else drenched. Alright, and then accessories. I've never done a hat before. I'm still trying to figure out how to use it, but I thought I'd try a hat this year. What I really like about this one is that it can easily fold up and be tossed in my suitcase. But I thought since we were going to be at the, you know, the beach and the pool and everything, it'd be kind of nice to have something just to keep the sun off my face. In case if you guys were curious, I absolutely love this hat. I will link it down below. So I've got another little packing hack for you, which involves your shoes and a shower curtain. And no, we're not going to be wearing the shower curtain on our heads. We're going to be putting our shoes in the shower curtain to keep your bag clean. Once I got all my stuff packed, I did the exact same process for my daughter's clothes and put those in a suitcase. As planned out all of her outfits. I've got her tackle box, which I've showed in a previous video. I will leave that link down below. And then all of our shampoos, conditioners are in the plastic zipper bag as well. The last thing that I pack is my little roll up travel case. This I will pack the day of the trip. I need to clean this out because that gets kind of gross, but I keep all of my makeup stuff in these top areas, put jewelry, perfumes, that kind of stuff in here. And then in the bottom is all of like my razors, toothbrush, that kind of stuff. And it simply just rolls up, has Velcro, has a little hook so I can hook it when I get to our destination. And super simple little travel bag. For my toothbrush, I like to use these little Steri-Pods. They keep my toothbrush nice and protected and clean. When you're thinking about your traveling clothes, you really want to obviously be comfortable, but also you have to think about what could I wear that might be bulky in the suitcase that could be easier to wear on the plane. Especially if you're traveling on a plane, a lot of times it gets chilly. But for me, I have to kind of think about layers because I'm going to be leaving in cold weather and arriving in extremely warm weather. So what I am going to actually do is just wear some little like jogger pants. So that way they have kind of the elastic bottom. And that way I can actually scrunch them up into capris when we get to Florida. Thing to think about is what you're wearing up top. I'm probably just going to wear a simple t-shirt with this, and then I'm going to wear a sweater and keep plenty warm on the plane, but then remove layers once we land. For your suitcase, you're going to want to make sure that you somehow mark it so that way you know in the baggage claim area what bag is yours. Since our suitcase was just a simple black one, I actually used some Trolls duct tape. I could easily identify ours at baggage claim. And then also don't forget to weigh your bags to make sure that you stay under that weight restriction if you're flying. I am going to actually be doing a secondary video on all about traveling with little silly ones like this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss that video, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll catch you guys next time.